When it comes to promoting your YouTube video, clicks are everything. The more clicks you get, the more YouTube will promote your content. And what's one of the first things people see when they encounter a piece of content? The thumbnail. So it's important to make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching, informative, and on brand. That's why today, we're counting down our top 10 best fonts for thumbnails. Number 10, My Vlog, handwritten font by Ricotta Studio. Vlogs are all about personal, fun, and down-to-earth insights into a creator's life. Featuring a bubbly and colorful handwritten style, this font couldn't emulate that character more perfectly. It's ideal for thumbnail titles that need a little bit of authentic flair. Number 9, Urban Star Blues, Font Duo by Priority Pico. Mixing the bold character of all caps sans serif with the freeform elements of graffiti, this font duo is attention-grabbing, to say the least. Its unique style is sure to set your video apart from its competition. Number 8, Hirona, Esport Logo Font by Constantine Studio. Looking to create the ultimate gaming thumbnail? This font was designed with you in mind. Featuring bold, geometric, and three-dimensional elements, it screams esports. The font comes with an editable outline and shadow effects, making it easy to customize text styles to your needs. Number 7, Maximum Profit, Business Font by Toko Press. Taking inspiration from boardroom whiteboard scribbles and hand-drawn charts, this font has a messy yet smart character. You could easily use it for anything from marketing and finance to startup businesses and art-themed thumbnails. Number 6, Wall Painter, Rough Brush Font by Toko Press. Thumbnails exist for the very purpose of grabbing people's attention. Make sure yours doesn't go to waste with this all-caps font. It features a painted-on style and brush texture that's perfect for giving off a rugged, pronounced message. You can use vibrant colors or place it in front of a text box to create an eye-catching contrast that highlights your video's title. Before moving into our top 5, let's take a look at where all this amazing content is coming from. Envato Elements is a fantastic resource for creatives of all kinds, with an ever-growing library of digital assets like fonts, royalty-free music, and motion graphic templates to take your videos to the highest level. Find the perfect asset or template for your project by following the link in the description below. Number 5, Comics, Cartoon Font by Pinnacy Art. Who doesn't love comic books? This playful font family taps into that same energy. Thanks to its extruded style and funny character shapes, this font is perfect for highlighting your text and introducing your content in a vibrant, cheerful way. Number 4, Jimmer Sport Font by Alon Kellican. Need your thumbnail to convey a compelling, dynamic message? Then this font has you covered. It features an all-caps, italicized style that's perfect for giving your text a sense of movement. Jimmer font is so versatile that it can suit a variety of genres like fitness, gaming, tech gear, or movie reviews. Number 3, Vlogger, fun headline YouTube handwritten font by Ham Studio. With a fun, relaxed, and brushed-on style, this font is one of the more light-hearted on our list. Its relaxed and playful style is perfect for effervescent content like travel videos, beauty vlogs, DIY, or crafting tutorials. Download this pack and give your audience a charming welcome. Number 2, Impulsa, handwritten bold by Erwan Wismoyo. This font is all about personality and making a statement. All caps and bold, it's ideal for thumbnails that need to pack a punch. From gameplays and top 10s to tutorials and story times, this font is sure to give your thumbnails a stunning finish. Number 1, Strippy, bold futuristic fonts by Erwan Wismoyo. Take things back to the 90s with this clean, square, and creative font. It's perfect for any video with a futuristic or sci-fi theme and comes in both lowercase and uppercase styles. From callouts to main titles and more, there are tons of ways this set can be used for YouTube thumbnails. And just like that, we've completed our rundown of the 10 best fonts for thumbnails. We hope you found some inspiration for your next project. What do you think matters most in a YouTube thumbnail? Let us know in the comments. As always, we highly encourage you to like this video, follow our channel, and turn notifications on. We'll be back soon with more awesome stuff, so stay tuned. In the meantime, check out the video to the right of your screen now. It's been selected just for you.